Welcome back, guys. Today's recipe is baked salmon sushi. Wow. So sit back, relax, and enjoy watching till the end. Yum! And these are the ingredients. We have sushi rice, crab meat, salmon fish. We do have yogurt, onion, mayonnaise, organic seaweed, rice vinegar, pink salt, and sesame seeds. First, 2 cups of sushi rice. We will clean and cook. 2 cups of rice should be added with 2 cups of water or 2.5 cups of water. While the rice is cooking, we need to prepare our toppings. First, cut the onion. Now, we need to heat the pan, olive oil in, and wait until it's hot. Once ready, salmons in with skin side down. Wait for 2 minutes, then flip to the other side. Cook the other side for 1 minute. Once the rice is boiling, we need to lower down the heat. Now the salmon fish is ready. Look at that, the brownish color of the fish. And these are our crab meat imitation. So we need to slice these into pieces, just like this. We don't need to slice the salmon fish. Flakes is enough. Just like this. If you can see, they're part of salmon fish that's fresh. You don't need to worry because we will bake it later. So get a bowl, crab meats in, salmon flakes in, onions in, then yogurts in, and lastly the mayonnaise. Then mix until everything is well incorporated. Our rice is ready, but this sushi rice is plain, so we need to add some rice vinegar, salt, and a little bit of sugar. Then mix thoroughly. What I'm doing now is that I am substituting the furikake with the crumbled nori or seaweed and black sesame seed. Once everything is ready, we need to put all together. So the sushi rice will be at the bottom, then make sure it's level, and followed by the furikake or the substitute furikake. I don't know how to pronounce it. Then the mayonnaise toppings. Make sure you cover all the sushi rice. At the topmost part, it's actually optional. For us, we added a hot sauce or the Texas hot sauce. Anyway, you can use anything or you can do what you want in this segment. Once ready, preheat the oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit, then bake the sushi for 30 minutes. Then voila! Our baked sushi is ready. Wow! Look at the brownish color of the top and the creaminess inside. Whoa! Can't wait to taste this sushi, guys. In 3, 2, 1. Yum! That's it. If you like this video, guys, please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel and please ring the bell to get notified for our next video. Bye bye.